What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there? Happy Easter! I hope you guys are having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we are excited. We are here. Go to the link www.thecopypastemethod.com. We have finally launched, with Digital Growth Community. I'm super excited about this opportunity in this program. You know, we've been talking about it for a little bit now, and now the program is officially launched. So I'm here to just cover it just a little bit. We'll be back to do some more updates on it, but just wanted you guys to know it's live because I've had some people to reach out about it. It is live and up and running. So here is my website page, as you can see here. Very nice, very professionally done. Don't wait, join an exclusive community of online business owners that are earning daily pay. Easy step-by-step blueprint, the all-in-one stop for passive income. Learn the daily pay blueprint, 100% profit, daily pay, and path to recurring income. Get access now to our step-by-step blueprint to achieve 100% profit and automate your earnings for daily pay with online digital products. Dive into the secrets of creating a recurring income stream effortlessly. Okay, and I am all in, the Legacy Builder program, the whole 9. These are the 4 products we've got here. I'm in all 4. Follow the simple 3-step system to start making 100% profit. Get started. Purchase one of the digital products that best fit your goals and needs. You will get access to your product and your step-by-step digital training in our amazing community. All right, so you're going to follow 3 steps. Okay, step 1, get started. Purchase your digital products that best fit your goals and needs. You will get access to your products and step-by-step digital training in our amazing community. Step 2, start growing a daily pay business. We show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on high traffic websites for free and how to create content for social media to drive tons of traffic to your automated system. Step 3, get paid. Start earning an income online, guys. This page is awesome. Okay, awesome. Like I said, definitely professionally done. Well done, I must say. Okay, so here, make full-time income. You can see that there. You can put your info in here. All right, pretty cool right there. Step-by-step process for making automatic commissions each and every day that creates a life-changing income online. How does it work? I mean, they break it all down. As you can see, this is nicely done. Open a new world of income possibilities. Okay, look at this page, guys. Awesome. Then we got testimonies on this page here, the real stories of members who are already part of our community, where people can see proof payments. Okay, this is great. This thing is definitely going to convert. Get access to a proven blueprint that's creating results like that. This is where the Legacy Builders program comes in. So yours may look different if you didn't have this product. I don't think this is on here. I'm at the Legacy, so I guess that's why it's showing it here. So yours may look a little different, okay, depending on which product you purchase. So Legacy Builders, remember, that's the top program where there's going to be with the training. With this is interactive, hands-on. Okay, automate your entire online business and content creation for making sales as passively as possible. Step-by-step blueprint. Okay, this is the $900 product. Legacy Builders program includes everything you need to have a successful online business, plus live, which I just mentioned, live interactive mentoring. So you are never alone on your journey. You're in business for yourself, guys, but you're not by yourself. When I tell you, I've been a digital marketer, affiliate marketer for some time, and I have not seen any program that has this much value, okay? And an owner that gives 300%, okay, of themselves into the program, okay? And that's what we have here. Nothing like it on the net. Let me tell you, not to mention the community. I'm going to show you where we are with the community, all the people that have gotten started with this new program. All right, so legacy builders. Nice. So what's included? So you have your launch pad, launch to profit, launch kit for your online business, automate your online business for time freedom, set up your social media, how to post free ads on the internet, introvert's dream, growing a following on social media, complete setup in System IO to automate your business. I really like that System IO. I am actually switching over to System IO for everything for myself. So I've gotten to learn it a little bit better and more, and it's pretty user friendly. All right, so that's that. So how to post free ads, talked about that. Complete setup in System IO, and guess what? It's a free system, guys. There's no monthly fees. Okay, how to run your business on a free platform includes the sales page, funnel template, and email automations. Hello, somebody. Follow a passive daily blueprint. So you have your Launchpad kit. This is the $100 product, right? Then you have your passive daily pay blueprint. This is the $300 product, okay? Right here, and it lists everything that's included, okay? Everything. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, and then you have your $600 product, grow your entire digital empire with digital mastery. This is a $600 one here. 6 figures in 6 months, and here's the breakdown of everything that's included here. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Check it out. They've included how to use ChatGPT to 10x your productivity. So this would be your $600 product, guys. Okay. Designing your life, having more time, and building a sustainable legacy. Digital Mastery has everything from Launchpad, passive daily blueprint, and the Digital Mastery. That's $100, $300, and $600 product right here. Okay, with the Digital Mastery. Okay, and it lists what's included here. So you know exactly what you're getting from this website before you even get started. Become a DGM affiliate and earn money. How to create a community in school. Introduction to the passive revenue freedom machine. And remember, we're not using Facebook, we're using school. Okay, I really like that because they have an app. It doesn't cost us anything. Okay, awesome. And there is more. When you enroll today, you'll get these bonuses. Check it out. The DGC community, digital growth community, guys, that's a bonus to be a part of a community with all the support you can ask for. 24/7 support, people from all over the world, people from all walks of life here to assist you. Questions and answers, you'll get answers. You get live weekly Zooms where you can connect with fellow members, stay accountable, get more support and real-time feedback. You're going to get the Canva crash course. Learn how to create simple but effective content, how to edit pre-built social media content. Trust me, that is a gold mine. You're going to get your third bonus, the 1 million in 17 months blueprint. I give you the exact, this is the owner, Michelle. She's going to give you the exact walkthrough and steps that she applied to reach the revenue success she's had in 17 months. More bonuses. Do you see this? On and on and on. Bonus number 4, 30-day market strategy growth plan. Bonus number 5, how to start an online business with MRR. Bonus number 6, 200 digital product ideas. Bonus number 7, mindset, message, marketing to your first million. bonus number 8, which a lot of people are excited about and they can't wait to get their hands on this one. The Invisible Empire Faceless Marketing. Okay. And again, here's more testimonies. Okay. So see, you hit 1 million in South Africa Rand. Okay. Wow. It's now or never. Get started, guys. Ready to get started? Choose from the products below to start earning 100% profit today. Get 4 income streams to generate $100, $300, $600, and $900 in commissions. This is 100% profit, guys. You don't have to split this with anybody. There's no middleman. This is direct sales, member to member. You're going to be paid directly from the person that signs up with you instantly. Okay. So, full programs. If you go all in, that's the 900, right? Now, come down here. We're also offering payment plans, Afterpay, okay? And you'll see that, okay? I'm not going to make this a long one today, guys. I just want to introduce it to you guys. We'll be coming back and doing more updates on it. But back down here where we were, talked about the payment plans, right? So here, if you don't want to go all in, here's the other 4 income streams, right? So you've got your 100 for your launch pad, okay? And then your this is a one-time payment, guys. There's no monthly fees. So you got your launch pad, 100 plus 29 for your website, and you can see here, here's the buttons for that, okay? Then you have your $300 passive daily pay blueprint. Okay. Be $300 plus 29 for your website. And then you have your digital mastery, $600. That's 3 income streams, 100, 300, and 600. Digital mastery. So it'll be 600 plus 29 for your website. Then you get all 3 of these. If you get the daily pay blueprint, passive daily pay blueprint, it's 300. You get 2 income streams, right? Your 100 and your 300. All right, and here are the buttons for each, and then here's the buttons for the Afterpay, for the payment plans. Okay, so this is awesome, guys. All right, so we come down, still more on this website. It's awesome. More testimonies. I love it. Here's more results that you guys can see here as well. You were built for more. Life is too short to work 40 plus hours a week trading your time for dollars, and there's always an income cap at a job. That's facts. All right, so come down. You can see this. What if the life you've always imagined is just one decision away? More information, another, just more info on the possibilities of what you could do here with this digital marketing program. Guys, remember, this is brand new. This is not rehashed information that's kind of been thrown into a template, cookie cutter system. All this is from scratch, okay? Brand new, fresh content, okay? What's working now, okay? Not 5 years ago, not even a year ago, okay? So this is definitely an opportunity I highly recommend you check into. All right, you've got to put some effort into it, but we've got the blueprint for you. All the program is not on trial because we've known this has worked. We had a previous one that we were working, right? The 4 digital products. We know the blueprint. It's the same blueprint, but we've got more value to offer you here. So it's now or never. All right, so get in where you fit in. You decide what you want to do. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com, guys. Check it out. And then let me show you something else real quick here. Oh, the other thing, this is going to be set up instantly, too. We don't have to wait the 24 to 48 hours. Instant setup, okay? So that's awesome. Now, let's take a look here over in my dashboard, if you will. You see this right here? See, and here's the products. Of course, I haven't had a chance to go through everything. I want to get it set up. All right, so it tells you here, here's the products, Legacy Builder, exclusive bonuses, passive daily pay blueprint. See, I can view the products here, Launchpad, etc. Okay, this is so awesome. You're gonna love it. Digital Growth Community Legacy Builders. You see what we got? So I'm inside. Welcome to the launch pad, the community, what to expect. I mean, this is awesome. Michelle put this together. Shout out to Michelle. Losing her voice and everything. And she still pushed through to get this product out here to everybody. All right. So shout out to Michelle and her vision in the community. All right, guys. This is going to be the #1 digital marketing program. I'm telling you. Launch kit for online business. So you can see here. Automate your business for time freedom. I mean, everything you need is here, step by step. Okay? Even how to set it all up. All right, now let's take a look in this community over here. What we got? 12,600 people, guys. There's a reason there's 12,600 people over here. I got into this community back in November 2023, just recently, and it was only 5,000, like 5,500. Now it's 12,000. Why is that? Okay. Then remember, we got the classroom over here. We're going to have this as well, this content vault. This is going to be awesome. Find video hooks and content creation. That's going to be added in there. And every week, they're going to be updating this stuff. Every week. Okay, so this is going to be fresh content, fresh information, fresh training, always ongoing. All right, and let's see what we got on the calendar. Tomorrow's April 1st, so we have a Zoom here, it looks like. We got a tech Zoom on Tuesday. I mean, you got everything you need right here to be successful with this program. Check out my opt-in page. Is that nice or what? Right? So we got brand new capture pages. Everything is brand spanking new. And I want to congratulate Miss Joyce, all right, for getting started. So we got another $600 day. Let's see if we can check it out. Hang on. So happy Easter. What a happy Easter gift that I received. Okay, Stripe 600 right here. Shout out to Miss Joyce, all right, for joining DGC and IPS. All right, so we had another one come in, guys. So this thing is rocking and rolling. So if you're ready to get started with our brand new digital program that we've got here, the Legacy Builder Program, the link is in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Guys, get started. You're going to love it. Let me tell you. Let me tell you, you're going to love it. So, again, get in where you fit in. No pressure. But just know, this thing is going to be the hottest thing on the net. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.